Hey, pardon my look. Sunday morning, don't care. I'm going to do a review of the BISSELL PowerClean Fur Guard today. I just got the box open and got it all set up, so I thought I would give a review of what it looks like. So I'm going to switch it around here and we will start the performance. Okay, start with the vacuum. You see how nice it stands up? Some of the reviews said that it was a little heavy, but I didn't really think that, or I haven't really thought that. So your power buttons are right there, easy to turn on and off, give you a little extra boost if you need it. So I'm going to turn this guy on, and first let me show you the floor. This is the floor I'm looking at, okay? I have a dog, that would be Bob, and she is a girl, but she is a glitter bomb. So we'll see what this looks like when I turn the vacuum on and the light comes on. It's kind of crazy, but here we go. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. And I'm not trying to go slow on purpose, I'm just trying to keep my balance. But look at all that mess that I didn't see with my naked eye. And we're going to wiggle up in there. And we got a big old chunk of stuff right there at the corner of my chair. Let's see if it captures that. I believe it did. So far, I'm pretty impressed. Yes, I know I didn't hit it all, but I'm getting to it, okay? I'll get back there. So far, I'm pretty impressed with how it does on the hardwood. And it does really good on edges, I think. So, and this is just the main deal. This isn't the little attachments or anything that get really good into those corners. But it wiggles around nice, it has good motion, it's not hard to operate. My only trouble thus far is this little carpet. It's not very thick, but let me show you what happens. It stops. So I haven't figured out yet how to adjust the base so it can go a little higher. But yeah, the carpet and the vacuum don't seem to be besties. But this is what I've vacuumed up this morning, which is beyond disgusting. But again, this one here is a glitter bomb. And she hopes you all have a great day.
Okay, so this is why I like this setup here. I have the charger, it's in this base. I put the accessories here. This is our like converted garage catch-all room, but I have the lights off for a reason. So I pop this off the charger. It's fully charged. I don't have to unplug it. It's cordless. And because I'm old, I need something where I could just put my foot down, put it down. I have pads, so as you can hear. So that way it doesn't get all tangled with the hair. And I can turn this on, and it has a light. I need the light to see the dirt and the dog hair. So, you know, it makes noise. All vacuums make noise. But it has 3 different levels. I have mostly hardwoods and tile and some area rugs. So once I put that back on, you have a plus minus button here. That's the power button, so if I have to go higher for area rugs, it's there. And then this is the canister. You just lift this out. I'm doing it one-handed. And then you just empty it. And it's really no big deal. I have the big old name brand, very expensive vacuum, and it is sitting in the closet because it's big and clunky, and the wireless one costs way too much money. So I went and got a BISSELL, which has always been pet friendly. And I have a very furry, barky friend, and I have kids. So this works. I have a 2-story house. I gotta lug this upstairs and downstairs, and I can't deal with the cord and the big chunky vacuums anymore. I need something simple. I gotta move fast because I only have a few minutes to clean, and it's gotta work, and this works for us.
Here's a little example. So it stands up on its own. I'm gonna turn it on here, and then you can adjust the speed here. These are 2 lights shining. A higher pile carpet, or just for the floors. Look at that quiet light. It's amazing. But I can see all of the dirt falling into the water. It's amazing. And it swivels really nicely, and it plays low and fit under the bed or tight spaces. And you can see. Jason thinks it's a little heavier than this other stick vacuum that we have, but the other one just, it doesn't do the carpet as well as this one. And I like the light on this one here, and that it stands up by itself. So when I need to take a break or go and get something, I can just stand it up.